Today, we've got some juicy last-minute leaks just in time for Samsung's Galaxy S24 unveiling event, happening this Wednesday, January 17th. So, if you're as excited as we are about the latest and greatest from Samsung, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the details. The leaks are pouring in, and this one is a game changer for our friends in Austria and possibly other EU countries. Someone managed to sneak a peek at Samsung's internal systems and spilled the beans on some sweet pre-order promos. If you're in Austria, or one of the lucky countries in Western Europe, when you pre-order the Galaxy S24 series, you're in for a treat. How about a free storage upgrade? Yeah, you heard me right. Purchase the 128GB model, and guess what? You'll be rocking the 256GB version. Go big with the 256GB model and bam! You'll get the 512GB. And hey, even the top tier 1TB version of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is up for grabs if you pre-order the 512GB iteration. But here's the catch. Only 2,000 of those bad boys are available in Austria, so act fast. But wait, there's more. Samsung is sweetening the deal. If you're ready to part ways with your old smartphone or tablet, you'll get a guaranteed Euro 100 bonus on top of the trade-in value. This offer kicks off on January 17th and runs until January 30th, so don't miss out on the extra cash. Now, let's talk style. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are dropping in some seriously slick online exclusive colors: jade green, sapphire blue, and sandstone orange. Meanwhile, the S24 Ultra is bringing the heat with titanium green, titanium blue, and titanium orange. These colors are only available online, so you'll be turning heads with a phone that's as unique as you are. So, there you have it, the latest scoop on the Galaxy S24 pre-order madness. Are you planning to snag one of these bad boys, or are you holding out for something else? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're hyped for the Galaxy S24. Until next time, peace out.